So after washing my face, I'll use a toner. It's from Biotique. It's very important to use a toner, I always tell you. Okay, so I've toned my face. Okay, so now I can put some primer. I have two drugstore primers here, one from Colorbar and one from Lakme. So I'll be using the one from Colorbar. Okay. So I'll take a little amount on my finger and I'll spread it evenly. So basically आपको प्राइमर जो चाहिए होता है वो ये जो आपका नोज एरिया है, you have mostly big open pores इस एरिया में. So one more step which you can do, you can use a serum. But my skin is already very oily. This serum is from Spa Wake. I'll put the details in the description box. So it's also not very expensive and it's a drugstore product, but it's good. So if you want, you can apply serum before applying the primer. So okay, I was telling you about this pigmented area. What I do is, because this area gets dry, back my skin is oily but this area gets dry, so I put some bio oil. You can use any face oil. So I'll just moisturize this area and here, because remember जब हमारी skin dry होती है बहुत तो भी हमारा makeup cakey होता है. I'll use a lip balm from Lakme so that my lips are not chapped. सबसे important काम जो हमें summers में करना है, please do not forget to use a sunscreen. You can use any brand. If you have an oily skin, you can use something in a gel form. So now take a reasonable amount. It's very important. Cover your neck and your face. So okay, this one from Lotus is SPF 50. I've been using it for a very long time. So I'll show you, it did not leave my skin oily at all. Can you see? बिल्कुल भी skin चिप नहीं करी है. Now the next step is our problematic area. So my problematic area is my pigmentation and these dark circles. So I'm using a corrector. It's an orange corrector from LA Girl. I'll use it in a very minute quantity. इससे ज़्यादा मत लगाना. So I just put one dot everywhere. And now use your ring finger. See? एक dot में ही there was a lot of product. Because we are doing a less product thing. तो इसको blend बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं करना है वरना balance करने के लिए इसमें कुछ बचेगा ही नहीं. See? So what I can do is, I have a pimple mark here, so I can just take a bit. Can you see? So after using a corrector, many people apply a concealer, but because I want to use less product, so first I'll go with my next layer. Generally people do a foundation, but in summer, especially in the daytime, I avoid using a foundation. So I'm a big fan of CC creams, and सबसे सस्ती and amazing product what I have found is from Lakme. Can you see? Okay, this one here is from L'Oreal, but I think this is the wrong shade. It does not suit me at all. So yeah, I have so many really sasta. I think 300 की range में you get 30 grams, which is not bad at all. But there's a drawback is CC cream का कि इसमें I don't think there are many shades. So इसमें I think bronze है, एक beige है. So the beige goes fine with my complexion. Otherwise you can use any CC cream or BB cream, whatever product you want to use. मैंने क्लिनिक का यूज़ करा था CC cream and it was amazing. But then again ये 300 का है तो वो 3000 का है. So there's a vast difference. But इस range में it's good. Let me find the beige color. I'll take some beige color. It's almost over. I wouldn't take a lot. I'll start with my fingers in the areas where I have put the corrector. Zoom it a bit. Your fingers are the best thing to, you know, blend your foundation and makeup. आँखों के ऊपर भी it's important to do on your eyelid. And you know, don't try to ghisso it. Just be gentle, especially on the areas where you have used a corrector. Be very gentle. So don't ghisso it. Just dab, 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 dab. Because you know, it turns grey otherwise. So grey अगर हमको नहीं करना है, that looks really ugly. कि आपकी पूरी skin बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, and you know, the grey areas are popping out. बाकी फेस पे डेफिनेटली आप अपना ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर या ब्रश व्हाटएवर आपको यूज़ करना है आप करो. ओके, आई टेल यू गाइज, अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पूरे फेस पे कवरेज नहीं भी चाहिए तो दी अदर ऑप्शन फॉर दैट इज़ कि आपकी जो पिगमेंटेड एरियाज हैं, ओके नाउ आई एम यूजिंग अ ब्लेंडर बाकी फेस के लिए. ओके, सो व्हाट आई वाज टेलिंग यू कि आप बाकी अगर आपको फेस नहीं करना है तो इट्स द बेस्ट थिंग कि आप सिर्फ अपनी पिगमेंटेड एरिया को करेक्ट करो, कंसील करो, put a loose powder and you are good to go. तो मैं 99% ऑफ द टाइम जब मैं दिन में कहीं जा रही होती हूँ तो दैट इज़ द ओनली थिंग आई डू. आई जस्ट करेक्ट, कंसील एंड पुट अ पाउडर, लाइक लूज पाउडर. उसके बाद कुछ चाहिए ही नहीं. थोड़ी ज़्यादा कवरेज चाहिए आपको, लाइक यू नो, तो आप पूरे फेस पे कर सकते हैं. देयर इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम. हमने इतना कम प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करना है कि आपको अगर पसीना भी आ जाए, आपको कुछ भी हो जाए, वो केक ही नहीं लगना चाहिए. I wouldn't take more product. वही जो प्रोडक्ट हमारा बचा है, यू नो, उसको हम नेक तक ले जा सकते हैं. Don't forget your ears and keep blending it. Now I'll put some concealer. Trust me guys, अभी जितना भी दिख रहा है जब हम पाउडर यूज़ कर लेंगे तो you know ये सारा वैनिश हो जाएगा. So it's going to be very even out. ये एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप है, आप अवॉइड कर सकते हैं टोटली. Let's use the fingers. तो ये एडिशनल स्टेप है, थोड़ा इधर ले चलेंगे बिकॉज यू नो जनरली दिस एरिया इज डार्क. कैन यू सी द डार्क सर्कल्स आर कवर्ड एंड देयर इज नो क्रीजिंग एंड नो केकीनेस. ओके, सो ये स्टेप हो गया है. बट आई ऑलवेज टेल यू, जब भी हम कुछ लिक्विड स्टेप करते हैं या कुछ क्रीमी प्रोडक्ट लगाते हैं, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी यू नो set it with a powdered product. So generally I use the powder from Huda Beauty, but drugstore में मेरा favorite powder is by Maybelline. This Fit Me powder by Maybelline. So this is in the shade 20 and it goes fine for my skin. So this also have a very sheer coverage, but generally people use a makeup setting spray end में. What I personally prefer in summer especially कि जब मैंने एक बार अपना ये बेस कर दिया है, so I'll first use a setting spray. So this is the Fini Natural Vaporizer from Wet n Wild. So इसके बाद I'll be using the powder. अच्छा, by the way, this CC cream also has an inbuilt SPF 30 in it and it's protecting me again from the harmful rays of the sun. So first layer हमने sunscreen की लगाई and the second layer to you know on top of it is the CC cream. You know that's why I prefer CC cream especially for the afternoons. And can you see, without foundation and with minimum product my skin is already looking good. Okay, so it's almost dry. I'll zoom the camera a bit. Can you see the skin is already, you know, natural and it looks good. It's looking like a healthy skin because I don't need a lot of coverage, especially in the daytime. You know, I would prefer less coverage rather than my face looking totally cakey, especially in the sunlight. Because जब आप धूप में जाते हैं, आप डे टाइम में बाहर निकलते हैं, तो आपकी स्किन बहुत क्लियरली दिख रही होती है, HD इफेक्ट में दिख रही होती है. रात को यू कैन स्टिल मैनेज इट, बट दिन में अगर स्किन केकी लगे तो इट लुक्स टेरेबल. देयर इज नथिंग वर्स देन दैट. सो मिनिमम प्रोडक्ट यूज करो, स्पेशली इन द डे टाइम. Okay, now without wasting any time, let's put the powder. Many people use brush, to apply your face powder, but I'll try to use a beauty blender or dry one. जब हमने अपनी फेस की फाउंडेशन एंड सीसी क्रीम की ब्लेंडिंग करी थी, so we used a damp beauty blender. लेकिन for the powder we use a dry beauty blender. So especially on your lower this thing, what do you call it? For your under eye especially, you'll take the product. It's almost about to get over. Okay, so I've taken a little product here और मैं gently इसको dab करूँगी, so that this settles. ऊपर भी करेंगे हम eyelid पे अपनी, because in case you want to put some eyeshadow or something, sometimes your upper lids get sweaty, so it's very important to set them as well. थोड़ा सा अपने brows पे भी कर सकते हैं, so that when you're using a powder to set your brows, your brow is not sweaty. It's about to get over. I have to again buy this. It's wonderful and it's really reasonable. Okay, again I've taken some more product. So जहाँ जहाँ करेक्टर और कंसीलर यूज़ करा था, अब हम बहुत लेज़ी हो रहे हैं अगर, तो हमने मेनली जो ये हमारा अंडर आई एरिया है और जो ये पिगमेंटेड एरिया है और दीज कॉर्नर्स, यहाँ थोड़े प्रिसिजन की ज़रूरत होती है. सो लाइक यहाँ आप ब्लेंडर यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बाकी फेस पे यू कैन डेफिनेटली यूज़ अ ब्रश. डोंट फॉरगेट योर ईयर्स. And we are good to go. If you want, you can put a makeup setting spray on top of this. I don't want to. I don't know, somehow I feel कि जब हम पाउडर लगा के मेकअप सेटिंग स्प्रे लगाते हैं तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it mixes with the powder and it looks cakey. So I avoid using a makeup setting spray powder के ऊपर, especially for the afternoons. So I'll show you a closer view. So that's how you ace the base with hardly any products. Okay, so the imperfections have blurred out like almost perfectly. इससे ज़्यादा हमको नहीं चाहिए. And the skin looks very natural. बिल्कुल भी over नहीं लग रहा है, बिल्कुल भी makeup नहीं लग रहा है. Makeup जो ना लगे made up. That's what we believe in. I hope you like it. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. See you in the next video.